Hey traders, John Howell here. Today we're going to be looking at silver and gold and also the mining sector in this video. And we're talking about now, especially when it comes to gold and silver, very big drop today in the markets. And what does that mean? And something that I was mentioning in yesterday's video to keep an eye out for, it's exactly what actually happened. Like what I mentioned in yesterday's video, it definitely just played out from there. Anyway, let's go look at, guys, I've actually put up a brand new trading course. It's actually broken into 4 different parts from here. So if you do need some help with your trading, guys, then this 4-part brand new course that I've actually put together will help you out when it comes to you becoming a good trader, chart reading, my trading system, and so much more. So guys, go to johnsfreegift.com to get free access to this brand new course that I've actually put together. Bit of an early Christmas present for you guys. Now, meat and potatoes. What's going on with gold, right? So gold actually had a very big drop. If you go back to and you revert back to what I was talking about in my video yesterday, what was I talking about? I said, guys, we're probably going to get a move to the upside, but it's probably going to be short-lived. Now, when I said that, I didn't expect it to happen in one day, right? I expected it to maybe have another move up like that, and then possibly have another week or two doing that. I didn't expect it to do that and then that, right? I was actually expecting an move up and then a pullback from here, right? So as you can see, that we had this very big, strong flush up to the upside, right? Very big, strong flush to the upside, and now we're just getting a bit of a drop through here. So what's really going on with this overall market from here? What's really happening from here? Well, to me, guys, this was just a bit of they were just computer orders really flushing it out, and I guarantee a lot of people would have got sucked in. I did say on my yesterday's video that if we look at the way the market operates and the way it moves, that we go for quite a bit of move, and then we go through pullbacks. We go through a bit of a move, and then we may even get another pullback down to here somewhere before we go for another move to the upside, right? So yesterday's video was saying we've already been going up for quite some time. So if we do get a breakout through, it's probably going to be a false breakout. If we do get a breakout to that, it's probably going to be a false breakout because we've already been going up for quite some time. And actually, it's interesting about the market makers love doing this. It's just interesting about the way the markets work. If the market's going up for quite some time like this, and then you get a large bar, then guess what? Then you're probably then going to have if you have a large bar here, the large bar is coming off the back of doing nothing, right? Or should I say, the large bar is coming off the back of it actually moving already in that direction there. So that's when you tend to get the false breakout types of moves. But as you can see, right, low, move up, and now we've had a move down. So even though we've had a strong move down and a false breakout and crash, so to speak, like this thing's just right from the high to where we are right now, it's like down like what 6% in like pretty much 2 days from the high to where it is today. I don't believe this is just a bit of what's called a shake and bake, guys. Like it's a bit of a shake and bake. I really do believe that, and I want to. Yeah, I'll share with you that in just a minute here. But I believe it's a bit of a shake and bake. And what I mean by that overall is that if we squeeze our charts up, I honestly believe, guys, that this is just going to head back down to here somewhere. And then we're going to start to pick back up again as well too. Like obviously there's no guarantees, but by noticing this point up here, especially breaking above all this high point up through here, and now we've got that through there, especially this has been 1, 2, 3, and then now 4 through here. I really do see this thing maybe having a bit of a pullback before we see this thing start to have a really nice move to the upside. So probably a little bit more downside to come, guys, to complete this pullback, right? Pullback phase before we get going again in the good old gold market. Let's go look at silver. Silver, right? And look what actually happened with silver, right? What actually happened? Ran right up to the level of resistance. Remember I was saying in yesterday's video, if you watch that, guys, be very, very careful right now, is that we may get one more little push to the upside, but there's major resistance here. And then we're probably going to start to see a bit of a pullback because we've already been going up for quite some time. And look what happened, right? It started to do that. Now with like, especially silver, right? I know a lot of people have been starting to get in on silver, but remember it's the same sort of thing, right, guys? Like when the market does do this for a while, we're going to go through a bit of a pullback. But look at this here right now. Okay, we have what? This is a low point through here. This is a higher low. And now guess what? Now we're getting ready for what? Another higher low soon. So if we're using Fibonacci tools here, guys, let's use the good old Fibonacci tool to see where it may found support. And we can see actually all through this level through here, right? So that's that 50 to 60% level, which goes inside of these resistance levels. We may even get a bit of a pullback down to this level here, guys, before we start to see this thing really start to ricochet and move to the upside from there. So a bit more of a pullback, guys, but I believe this actually could be the start of quite some exciting news coming out of that level through there. Let's look at the mining sector. We've got the mining sector down 2% today. The GDX is down 2% today. But this has actually started a new bull market to me, right? Low, higher low, up, down, and up through here. So even if we do get a bit of a, we may even get a bit of a sideways movement, but I believe this is the start of a very nice bull market out of the GDX from there. Let's go to the GDXJ. GDXJ actually hit my target. Look at there. That's that trend line there. I had that as resistance yesterday, or the day before, should I say. It actually ran up, hit the resistance, and then completely rejected it now. We now have what? A low, a higher low. And now, let's use the good old Fibonacci tool to see where, yeah, look at that, right? Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at it. Now respect it. Did any of you guys used to watch the Hodge Twins? Now respect it. Move on now through to SILJ and target filled. Target filled, right? This was the projection. Remember, I did this here. There was a double bottom here, and I did the double bottom projection, and the double bottom projection actually got to that level there, which was that $10 level. Now we're getting to that level there. We still may see some more upside movement here, but this actually could be the start of a bull market. But we haven't created a higher low yet. That's the thing about this level here, right? We have a one bottom. We have two bottoms. But we haven't got no high low yet, right? So we actually want to see this thing may possibly even pull back before we get going again in that through there. And moving now through to the SIL, and the same sort of thing, right? Nice move to the upside. I believe this actually could be the start of a big bull market, right? We have this move through here and a strong move to the upside through there, as you can see, right? Up, 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 up. So we're possibly going to get a bit of a pullback before we get going again, but I believe this overall downward move is now coming to an end. And then possibly a new swing to the upside coming to that as well too. So there we go, traders. Hope this helped you out today, traders. If you do need some extra help, then I've opened up some spots to my coaching program, weekly coaching program for all of 2024. That's me coaching you every single week. So if you do need some help with that, guys, and you do need some real help from that, then that's the coaching program is for you. You can apply for it, guys. That's second link in the description. Go click on that there, guys, and book a call, fill out the application form, and I'll speak to you real soon.